Oppo just dropped a bombshell. The Find X9 series is officially coming this October, and the specs are absolutely insane. We're talking a 7000 mAh battery, flagship-level cameras, and charging speeds that put even the iPhone to shame. But wait, there's a twist. The global model might be different from the Chinese version. Let's break it all down. First up, the display. The Oppo Find X9 is tipped to feature a 6.59-inch 1.5K LIPO equilateral screen. It's not your regular AMOLED, it's a Trenma OLED panel, designed to balance high-end visuals with power efficiency. This display tech alone sets it apart from most competitors in 2025. Under the hood, the Find X9 is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 processor. And here's the kicker, it supports up to 16 GB of RAM and a massive 1 TB of storage in China. That's laptop-level performance inside a smartphone. But globally, leaks suggest that storage may be capped at 512 GB. Now let's talk cameras, the highlight of any flagship phone. The Find X9 packs a quad camera setup at the back. Expect a 50-megapixel Sony LYT-808 main sensor, a 50-megapixel Samsung JN9 ultra-wide, a 50-megapixel Samsung JN9 periscope telephoto, and an additional 2-megapixel multi-spectral sensor for advanced color and detail processing. For selfies, there's some debate. Digital Chat Station claims it's a 32-megapixel front shooter, while earlier reports pointed to a massive 50-megapixel selfie camera. Either way, it's a serious upgrade for content creators. And here's where it gets wild. Oppo has officially confirmed that the Find X9 comes with a 7025 mAh battery. That's one of the biggest batteries we've ever seen in a mainstream flagship phone. But it doesn't stop there. The Find X9 supports 80-watt wired charging and 80-watt wireless charging. That's basically the future of wireless power, charging your phone just as fast without plugging it in. On the security front, Oppo is ditching optical scanners in favor of an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. That means faster unlock speeds and more reliable performance, even if your fingers are wet or greasy. A small detail, but it shows Oppo is going all out. Now here's the twist. The global Find X9, spotted in Vietnam's NBD trade database, shows slightly toned-down specs. It still has the same 6.59-inch display and up to 16 gigs of RAM, but storage maxes out at 512 gigs. So it looks like the 1 TB model is China exclusive. For global fans, that might be a little disappointing. So to wrap this up, the Oppo Find X9 is shaping up to be an absolute spec monster. Huge battery, ultra-fast charging, triple 50MP camera system, and bleeding-edge performance. The only real question now is pricing, and whether Oppo plans to challenge Samsung, Apple, and Xiaomi directly in the global market. What do you think? If Oppo prices this competitively, could the Find X9 be the flagship killer of 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming leaks and tech breakdowns.